Wow, so many colors. Kids rewriting capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Wow, nice colors. Lavender color, lavender color. Kids, the next one is, yes, now we open colors. So many colors. The next one is emerald green color. And the next one is raw silk color. Raw silk color. The next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Baby blue color. Kids, the next one is, yes, coral red color. Stay with us. And the next one is black color. Now we open the color of rose big color. The next one is warm gray color. Now we open the color of cream. And the next one is yellow green color. Yellow green color. So many colors. The next one is deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. The next one is vivid green color. Now we open the color of mint blue. And the next one is cool gray. Cool gray color. Yellow color. The next one is pale blue light color. And the next one is vivid purple color. Persian blue color. Kids, now we open the color of pale pink color. And the next one is light violet color. So many colors. Scarlet color. Scarlet color. And the next one is geranium color. Geranium color. The last one is forest green color. Forest green color. Wow. Stay with us. So many colors. Yes, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F. Kids, the next one is G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now start writing. First we're using the color of baby blue color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. First we're writing A. And the next one is B. Now we're writing the alphabet of C. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll, E. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for hand. I for eyes. And the next one is J. Kids, J for jackfruit. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for lion. Now we're using the color of black. Black color. Now you open black color. M for moon. And the next one is N for nose, N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q. And the last one is R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.